Good morning, P3. How are you today? How's your exam? So I'm glad that most of you passed the test. Okay, so congratulations. And now we're almost finished, only a few more days, and it's gonna be end of term 4. So Today is August 12th, 2020, and our learning objective, our learning target is that I can understand, or you can understand, what is force meter, when it is used, and why it is used. So let's define first what is force. Have you heard the word force? I force you to fight with me. Is that how you use the word? It could be, that's correct too. You force someone to want to fight with you like against their will, right? But here we're talking about force that can move things. So force is the strength or energy as an attribute to the physical. I write two. So that's to the physical action or movement. So when we push, it means we're putting force in order for things to move. Push is when we put things, someone, or anything away from us. When we pull, we put things closer towards us, right? Closer to us. So how about meter? You already knew what meter is, right? It's like a measurement, right? Like it can also be spelled like this, but also it's all the same pronunciation. So spelled like this, meter, and this also meter. So this one is a British spelling, this is English. So is a measurement, a fundamental unit of length, of length in the metric system and in the international systems of unit. So 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters, and 1 meter is equivalent to 3.28084 feet. So maybe you learn about that, but mostly it's the scientists who really use this stuff, like the measure, like force. How much force can you make to push a very big table? So there's a measurement for that. So force meter is an instrument used to measure force, like how much like the energy you put into something when you push things or when you pull things. Force meter is also called force gauge. Gauge. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's force gauge. You have to look it. I forgot to look at it. So this is a picture of a force meter. So here you will see that here this is the reading where you can see like how much it's like a graduated scale. Like there's a scale of 250, 200, 150, 100, and so on. And this is the spring, this is the hook, and the weight. So the weight will help determine like how much force you put into something. And the purpose of the force meter is to measure the strength of the force. For your assignment today, I want you to answer what is force, what is meter, what is a force meter, and then the last question is why or when and why do we use force meter for what? That will be all. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye bye.